Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to see the changes made to your website link on your Instagram profile. Whether you're managing a business page, a creator account, or just want to keep track of your profile updates, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to view your website link history on Instagram, all with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. From the menu, find and tap on Your Activity. This section is packed with useful tools to help you keep track of everything you do on Instagram. Next, scroll down and tap on Account History. This is where Instagram stores a timeline of all the changes you've made to your account, including edits to your bio, username, and of course your website link. Now, to make things even easier, tap on the Filter by Updated Type option at the top of the Account History page. A list of different update types will appear. Here, select Website. This filter will show you only the changes related to your website link, making it super simple to find exactly what you're looking for. After choosing Website, tap on Apply. Instagram will now display a list of every time you've updated the website link on your profile, along with the exact dates and details of each change. This is perfect for tracking your link updates over time, whether you're switching between campaigns, promoting new content, or just curious about your profile's history. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily see all the website link changes on your Instagram profile. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.